What is preventative maintenance? In this video, we will give you a quick summary of the definition, features, and benefits of a preventative maintenance strategy. Machine failure, unplanned downtime, emergency shutdown. No matter what it's called, it's always an unwelcomed event for any maintenance team. But it's a reality that facility managers frequently have to deal with. In order to minimize the risks of equipment shutdown, maintenance teams must turn to proactive strategies that can help them identify problems before it's too late. Strategies like preventative maintenance. What is preventative maintenance? It's proactive maintenance that occurs before machine breakdown. It is the opposite of reactive maintenance, which is performed after or in response to a machine breakdown. Preventative maintenance is performed while equipment is still working, so that nothing is breaking down unexpectedly or before it's too late. There are different types of preventative maintenance, but two common preventative maintenance strategies are known as planned maintenance and condition-based maintenance. Planned maintenance is performed on assets based on predetermined calendar intervals. An example of planned maintenance would be a routine inspection of a facility or piece of equipment. Condition-based maintenance monitors the current condition of assets in real time in order to determine when maintenance should happen. If a baseline condition crosses a certain threshold, this would signify the need for preventative maintenance. Examples include measuring the temperature, vibration, or mileage of certain assets or equipment. So why is preventative maintenance important? Here are some compelling statistics. According to the Wall Street Journal, unplanned downtime can cost industrial manufacturers over $50 billion in costs each year. Other research shows that companies can save up to 20% in costs by setting up preventative maintenance strategies in their operations. But that's not all. Here are some of the specific benefits that come with implementing a preventative maintenance strategy. Preventative maintenance can reduce your total cost of ownership, inventory costs, and equipment downtime. It can also increase your asset lifespan, machine reliability, and worker safety. The list of benefits goes on and on. So, then how does one go about implementing a preventative maintenance strategy? Many companies are turning to using a computerized maintenance management software, also known as a CMMS, to help them out. A CMMS will help your entire maintenance team stay organized when implementing a preventative maintenance strategy. With a CMMS, you can schedule your planned maintenance and delegate specific tasks to different workers. Then you can check on the status of this type of work and send reminders. You can also store and update information on your assets and maintenance as you go. Want to learn more? Axxerion can talk to you about how to set up preventative maintenance strategies for your company.